Today I am going to bring you 5 half-ups in a hurry. Hairstyles that you can do in a matter of seconds, right before you run out the door, when you just take a quick glance at yourself and think, I really need to do something with my hair, but there's no time. These are the hairstyles that are going to save your day. The base of these is that you don't have to really heat style your hair for them. You can do them on your natural hair texture. These should work on many different hair textures besides maybe super curly hair. You don't need any tools, you barely need any accessories, and they're just really quick and simple to do. So let's get started straight away with the first one. And to do that, I'm going to gather some hair from the top of my head. And I am going to leave out my bangs and some side pieces. Okay, but I'm going to gather the hair right on the top of my head here. Then I'm going to take a hair elastic. I'm going to wrap that around, let's see, pull my hair through a little bit, and then grab that little loop, and that's what I'm going to fasten. So I've created a little loop of hair, and then I'm going to take that, pull it out a little bit, to form a little bun or chignon type thing. And then I personally like to kind of loosen up the hair around it as well, as I'm really going for that kind of, this is intentionally messy look here. So when you've done all that, this is what you are left with. Super simple but really cute, tiny little half-up bun. For the second hairstyle, I am once again going to take some hair from the front of my face here. Just a little strip. Right about that much, I think. So I'm carefully going to pull that back, and as I do so, I'm going to give it a little twist. Then push it forward a little bit along my scalp to create a tiny bit of a poof up here. And then I'm going to slide a bobby pin in to hold this secure. And if you want, you can take a second bobby pin and cross it over the first one to form an X. And that's going to make it even more secure. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So pull it up and back, give it a little twist, push forward, and secure with bobby pins. I like to then take a little bit of hair from behind there and kind of pull it forward over the bobby pins to hide them, and that leaves you with something like this. Again, ridiculously quick and simple to do, but really pretty and looks like you just put a little bit of effort in. For the next style, I'm going to grab the top half of my hair. I'm going to pull it all back into a ponytail, kind of in the center of my head, maybe a little bit above that. And then I'm going to tie this off with a hair elastic. And when that is done, I am simply going to take this hair, twist it around, and wrap it around the hair elastic to create a nice little cinnamon bun, which I'm then going to secure with a few bobby pins. And to do that, I'm going to just take the bobby pin, stick it into the top of the bun, like that, and then kind of poke it outward first, and then slide it underneath the bun like that. So I'm going to do that a few times, stick it into the bun, and then scoop underneath. About 4 bobby pins should do the trick, again depending on how thick your hair is. And then this is the result. For the next style, I am again going to separate out the top half of my hair, but this time I'm going to go in a triangle, which is going to start right above my ears and go all the way up to the crown of my head, right up top. And when I have that, I am going to secure it with a hair elastic. Alright, so when you have your little ponytail, I am going to take a tiny little piece of it, just a little strand of hair, and I'm going to wrap that around the hair elastic just to hide it. So when I've wrapped it all the way, I'm going to take a little bobby pin again, go in from behind the ponytail, grab that little wrapped piece of hair and stick it under, and there is your hairstyle done. The next style is perfect if you have a really cute hair accessory that you'd like to show off. So for me, that is this bow, for example. It has one of these kind of snap clips in the back, but you could use, any type of hair accessory that fastens hair as well. So I am going to once again take some hair from the front. I'm going to start on one side and I'm going to twist that hair back. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just grab it, a little piece of hair, twist it back, join the two pieces in the back in the center of your head. Then take your little hair accessory clip and I'm going to slide it into my hair, making sure to grab enough hair from the bottom to actually hold the clip, as well as incorporating the two twisted pieces. Then I'm going to close it on the other side. And that's the hairstyle. Really, really cute with next to no effort. So those are my 5 half-up hairstyles in a hurry that you can do within seconds when running out the door in the morning. So I really hope you enjoyed this little video, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There's another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!